I'm David Thomas Jacks and this is the Telos Mega Test, Part 2, to compare performance for very long range detection for each Pulsar Telos. So if you need to detect things well over a kilometre away, this test is designed to help work out which of the 4 different Telos models you should buy or upgrade to, because all 4 have different sensors with different capabilities. At the top of the range is the Telos XL50 with a 1024 by 768 12 micron sensor, the sub 18 millikelvin XP50 with a 640 by 480 17 micron sensor, the big base mag XG50 with a 640 by 480 12 micron sensor, and the XQ35 entry-level Telos with a 384 by 288 17 micron sensor. For this test it's 9 degrees and 85% humidity, and everything is set to allow you to judge how each Telos performs under the same conditions. My colleague, 5'10" Evan, is 1,386 metres away, and in the hedge behind him there's a bottle of warm water and a small electronic hand warmer. I, by the way, am just in front of those trees. Back to our targets at 1,386 metres. I'll keep the camera shot there for reference while I bring in the 4 Telos models, and straight away Evan is detected on all 4 Teloses. Let's look in more detail at the XQ35. Like every Telos, you digitally zoom with an analog twist, like you do with a camera for precision magnification that can even just about detect that bottle of water and clarify an upright body. So we've ID'd a person. As we zoom back out, the level of detail on the entry-level XQ is really impressive, and part of the reason are its large 17 micron pixels, which are ideal for dealing with this high humidity. We'll leave the XQ on picture-in-picture mode and move on to the XG50. 3x base mag really helps, but we'll zoom in and pretty quickly we can also detect the bottle of water. Evan also has a bit more detail for very clear ID. Zoom back out, change to picture-in-picture, and we'll move on to the XP50. It's the same number of pixels as the XG, but what's clear is the better image in high humidity because of its sub 18 millikelvin NETD from its larger pixels. At base mag in these conditions I'd go as far to say it's got the clearest image. Let's zoom in, bottle of water, no problem. And possibly just a sense of the small hand warmer. We'll zoom back out, keeping an eye on those birds to show a brilliant level of detail on everything, and call up picture-in-picture before we move on to the top of the range XL50. This has the widest field of view and most pixels, and as we digitally mag up it easily spots the birds in the trees at about 600 metres. Evan and the bottle easily detected, but the hand warmer remains elusive for all of these at nearly 1400 metres. Finally, we'll zoom back out, jump to picture-in-picture and reframe Evan to the centre of the screen to conclude. All 4 Teloses passed our very long-range detection test, even at their base magnification. With zoom they all spot a 15cm bottle of warm water. The winner though, at very long range in high humidity, is the sub 18 millikelvin Telos XP50. Larger pixels are just less affected, which is also demonstrated by the XQ35's performance. If you're on a budget, it can clearly do long ranges in bad weather. The XG35's bigger magnification is a real help at very long range, while the XL is the only one wide enough to spot buildings in the left and right hand edges of the view. So, top of the pile for scanning wide areas. And there you go. To find out more about the Telos XQ35, Telos XG50, Telos XP50 and Telos XL50, to help work out which Pulsar Telos you should buy or upgrade to, visit tj-focus.co.uk, or for more videos including some more Telos Mega Tests, don't forget to subscribe. I'm David Thomas Jacks. Thanks for watching.